If you clicked on this video, you probably know that the investing niche has a high CPM of $10, which can even go up to $300. Like this one. And if you have seen, most investing channels use this type of animation for their channel, which is called whiteboard animation. In this video, we are going to make this animation together.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of? How many income sources do you currently take advantage of? Rich people don't just have one income source like many of the working class. They don't limit their income earning to just when they're clocked in at their 9 to 5, trading their time for money for days on end. In fact, the average millionaire has 7 different income sources. How do rich people earn income in 7 or more ways? Earned income is how most people make their money, but there are many other income-generating possibilities to take advantage of. There is much more to earning money than what most people are aware of. In order to become financially independent, you must have money work for you instead of only working for money.
After watching this video, you will be able to create professional whiteboard animations for free. So without further any ado, let's dive into the video. Because it is an educational video, I don't want to make a script. In this video, we are going to recreate 1 minute of one of the videos of this channel to learn how to make these types of videos. And in this 1 minute, I will use all the tools of the program so that you don't run into any problems. I want to recreate this video, which is about 7 income sources that rich people have. I watched this video and wrote the script summary here. And then I used 11 laps for the voiceover. Now we have the voiceover and the script, so let's download the free software. The software name is Mango Animation, so go to Google and search Mango Animation. Now scroll down until find the official site of Mango Animation and click on it. Here, go to the products section and click on Mango WM. From here you can buy the pro version that give you additional features, but we want the free version that can do our job. So download the free version. And after downloading, install the app. The installation process is simple and easy like other programs. When the installation finishes, open the app. Log into your account from here and create one if you don't have one. Here, we have many templates we can use, for example, for education, marketing, human resources, or many other things. But we don't want any of them. So, create an empty project and select a 16:9 aspect ratio from here. Now, the first thing we must change is the background. So double-click on the background, go to the background color, and select a background from here. Now, we must upload the voiceover to find related images for the video more easily. Adjust the voice 1 second before the start. Now, play the video.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of? How many income sources do you currently...
The part you heard was a question. Well, we have to find a picture that is like a question. Now, to import an image to the timeline, go to the right bar and click on the image from here. As you can see, we have different categories here. But because our video is about finance, I'll go to the businessman category. Now, find the image that corresponds to our voice. This image is great, so drag and drop it onto the video. From this corner, you can resize the image, but as you can see, the image does not resize correctly. To solve this problem, you must hold the Shift key and resize the image. Now, let's play it and see how it looks.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of?
That's great. Now I want to add an exit effect. So click on this plus button, and here we have many effects to use. Of course, some of them are paid. Now, you can easily select any effect you like. But I like this particle exit effect, so I'll select it and confirm. One bad thing about this program is that every time you add an effect, it downloads the effect, and it takes a little time. I reported this problem and hope it will be fixed in the next updates. Adjust the exit effect a bit. Here, we need a question image, but as you can see, I searched but didn't find it in the image section. So, how to find a similar photo and use it here? For this, go to the FreePik site, and here, search for the image that you want. Now, in the left bar section, select the vector, and from the license, select free. And now you can use all these photos for free. Well, now choose the desired photo and click on Download. Download the JPG format of the photo from here. Now you have to delete the picture background. I have the Photoshop program, but I want to use free Photoshop because most of you may have not get the Photoshop. The free tool I mentioned is called Photopea, which is completely free. So go to the Photopea website and enter the photo. Now select the Magic Eraser tool, select the photo layer, and delete the background. Now go to the file and export it as PNG. But here you can see that the image resolution is very high, so I'll decrease it to 1000 pixel. And save it. Now go to Mango and click on Add Local Image. And select your image. Now adjust the pictures to match the sound.
How many income sources do you currently take advantage of?
Add exit effect. Our second scene is ready. Let's go for the third. Like the previous scene, listen to the voice and find similar pictures. If you click on the image layer, you'll see 5 options, so let's check the edit option. Here, we have many entrance effects, and half of them are paid. Now, I want to change it to the second effect, so I double click on it. And now, as you can see, the writing effect changed. Now, let's change it to another one and see how it is. Never mind, let's switch back to the previous one. But wait, let's check the advanced option. As you can see here, you can change the hand image, and there are many images. Here, we have the mirror option, which can return the image of the hand, and some other options which are not very important. Now, let's adjust the image and add an exit effect. Let's add another scene. Now, how can we add a camera effect like zoom in and zoom out or transition between pages? For this, click on this plus button in the camera layer. And here you have the camera effect, which is not much but is good. Now select the effect you like, and from here you can choose the action direction. Now set the camera layer where you want the transition to occur. Let's add text to the video. Go to the text section here and find the best font for your video. And drag it to the video. Change the text and change the color. Adjust the text layer a bit. Add another transition for our scene. And let's find some footage for this scene and add it to the scene. Now, let's use the last important section, which is the shape section. To add a shape to the video, go to the shape section. And here we have a lot of shapes, and I want to use this flash shape, so I drag it to the video. Adjust the shape and add your last image. Let's add the final scene and go for export. To export the video, click on this Publish button. Here, you can export it as a GIF or MP4, and we want it as an MP4. And here, we have some settings like the video frame rate, the video bitrate, and the audio bitrate. And the resolutions. Now render the video. And here is the final result.
How many income streams are you, your friends, and family aware of? How many income sources do you currently take advantage of? Rich people don't just have one income source like many of the working class. They don't limit their income earning to just when they're clocked in at their 9 to 5, trading their time for money for days on end. In fact, the average millionaire has 7 different income sources.